All right, we're going to talk about mean, median, mode, and range. We're going to start with mean. Mean just means the average. The average. So, nice thing with this is it's pretty straightforward. Let's take a random data set. Doesn't really matter what. I don't know, 2, 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, something like that. All you got to do, add all of them up. So we're going to add up all of them. 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4. And then divide that sum by how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So divide them all by 6. So 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 6 is 15, 20, 22, 26. I get 26 over 6, which ends up being 13 over 3, which would be my average, is 13 over 3. Next, we're going to do median. We're going to do median. So for the median, the way I remember median is it kind of sounds like middle. I think of the median as the middle. Let's go with a similar data set: 2, 3, 7, 4, 5, 6, doesn't matter, 12. The important thing to do about median, though, is to make sure you organize this from least to greatest. It has to be least to greatest. If you do not organize your data set, you are going to get it wrong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. Now we can find the median. All you got to do, count towards the middle. I like to sit here and scratch out both sides until I get the same number of scratches on both sides, and that helps me find my middle. So my median is 5. One exception. Say I had a similar data set, but it was just one little bit longer. So now when I start scratching out from both sides, I get 4 and 5 in the middle, and I can't scratch out both because I'll have nothing left. What you got to do is add them up and divide them by 2. All right. I know this is a bit of a long one, but that's just because the concept has a lot of stuff in it. Next, we're going to talk about mode. Mode's pretty easy. We're going to actually keep this data set right. Actually, what are we going to do? So mode I always remember mode because it sounds like most. Let's do 2, 2, 3, 4, 6. Simply find the number that appears most often. Oh, hey, look, 2. My mode is 2. If two things are tied, or more than two things, doesn't matter. So let's say things are tied for appearing the most often. Something like this. Hey, 2 appears twice, 3 appears twice, 4 appears twice. Those are all the mode. You can have multiple modes. Finally, let's say everything appears the exact same number of times. So something like this, right? Well, nothing here appears more than once, so there is no mode. So find the thing that appears the most. If there's ties, everything that is tied for first place is the mode. And if there is no mode, there is no mode. If everything is the exact same, there is no mode. Everything's the exact same. There is no mode. And finally, the easiest one. The easiest one is range. For range, take your biggest number minus your smallest number. So taking a similar data set that we've been using, 2, 4, 6, 9, something like that. Take the big number minus small number. 9 minus 2. Done. 7. Easy. Easiest one of all.